Are you guys ready? We got to start off like flip a coin or something. Right here, we got to flip this. No fighting. We don't have fighting. Look it. Hold on. Okay, we're going to see who goes first. Who's going to go first? 1. No. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Here you go, Tucker. Who's going to catch it? You guys have to squeeze. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, who's going to catch it? I don't know how to play football. Good land. Go get it. He's ready. Are you ready, Jersey? No cheating. Right here. Here we go. Then she's rooting for her team. Come on, Jersey.
Oh, I just noticed the thing on the bottom, like the little dressy part.
Yeah, she's 2. She's got 2 teams on. Here we go. Come on, guys. Tucker. Where's Tucker? Well, come on. Are you going to go, Tucker? We got to get Tucker. Come on, Tucker. You're going to catch the ball. Tucker's going to catch the ball. Come on. Come on. We got to get Tucker. Come on, Tucker. Come on. Here, Tucker. Oh, dear. Where's Tucker? Hey. Tucker. Okay. You got to catch it, though. Whoa, almost. Good boy. He's on the 20. You're on the 20. You got to start right there. Go back. Go back. Go back. Right there. You got to start. Nope. 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 You got to start on the 20. You're on the 40. Okay. There you go. Whoa, he got it. On the 40. Okay, now we got to move you back here. Come on. Back. Right here. Right there. Okay. Yeah. Looks like the Seahawks is winning. You gonna catch it? You gotta catch it though for a point. Whoa! Nope. Gotta start again. Here we go. Go back to the 40. Right there. Nope. Stay right there. Go get Tucker. Come on. It's like a one-man.
You're going to be a star.
One-man football game here. Here, Tuck, Jersey.
Get over there, Tucker.
Go back.
Get over there.
That's cheating.
Go on.
Come on, Tucker. You want to show him how to catch it? Come here. Right here. Come here, Tucker. Right here. Good boy. Sit. There we go. Oh, almost, Tucker. Here we go. Come on. Come on, Tucker. Whoa! That's a fumble. That's a fumble. That ain't fair. That ain't fair. Here, Judge Tucker. Where'd the cheerleader go? Come here, Sunshine. Whoa! Almost got it, Tucker. Good job. Good job. Hold on. Let's get Tucker. Whoa, Tucker got it. Good job. Good job. Hold on. I don't know if this is football or soccer. Or either.
Bone ball.
Huh?
It's bone ball.
Let's see if Tucker or Jersey gets it. Whoa! Good job. Now we got to turn this way because they can't see you. Come on. Over here. Right here. Come on. Where's Tucker? Come on. Good job. Whoa. Tucker got it. Good job. Good job. Good Jersey. Jersey. Come on, Tucker. Good job. Good job. Tucker caught it. gonna get it.
upper body, torso, you get points.
Whoa.
Fucking leg.
There you go. Come on.
Down, get back up, and the other fucking leg. Then,
Taking your
Are we ready?
yeah, I do.
Are we ready?
Then last time to do a fucking head.
Are we ready? Yeah.
The legs are like
Whoa.
below the leg.
There you go. Come on. Let's go. Ah, almost. Where's Tucker? Come on. Oh, we have a little scrabble in the field here. Good boy, Tucker. Here. Good boy. Come on. We gotta share it. No. You gotta drop it. Good boy. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go. Good job, Tucker. Now good job. Yay, there you go. Bring it here, Tucker. We don't take it off the field. Oh, there's the cheerleader. She gonna do? Are you gonna do your cheer or what? What are you gonna do? What team is she for? Okay. What team is she for? Hey. She's for both teams. She got Seattle and she got. Okay.
Yeah,
Here we go. Come here, Tucker. Good job. Whoa. Good job. Come on. Whoa, Tucker. Jersey guy. You got out of 50. Come on. What are you doing, Sunshine? Come on, Sunshine. Come over here, Tucker. Whoa. Come on, Sunshine. Come on, Tucker. Good job, Tucker. Good job. Come on, Tucker. You gotta come over here. Come on. We see you. That's grab the ball. We don't grab the ball and touch stroke. Come here, Tucker. Okay. Whoa, Jersey got it. Come on. Tucker. Come on. Good boy. Come on.
Well, I think you just need to go get it.
No, you come over here. Come here, Tucker. Good boy. Watch it. Oh, good. We don't take it with us. Hey, no fighting. No fighting.
Animal fighting.
We don't fight over the ball. Come on. I know you guys are. Good job.
When you start feeling better,
Whoa. Okay. Whoa.
Bobcat.
Nope.
I'll run the shovel. I don't want to run the equipment.
That's way too much.
Whoa.
Doing that. I mean,
There we go. Come on, Tucker. Okay. Whoa. How about if I throw it over here? There's Tucker. Come on, Tucker. You can get up there? Okay. Good job. Good job. You got the ball. Okay. Whoa. Oh, Mom didn't do it right. Got it again. Good job.
I need to put more fucking Velcro in it.
Come on.
Pop that fucking board.
Whoa.
Pull that bitch a little tighter. Here, let me put my knee up against that thing.
Did you get your drink?
Oh, yeah.
Did you get your drink?
God, yeah. It's not uncomfortable.
This?
Oh.
Well, it's a little. It gets uncomfortable where your jaw is.
Good job.
You know, I mean, if
Good
it's
job.
Cushy or fucking.
Now bring it back. Good job. I haven't taught you that yet, have I?
It's not cushy. I mean,
Good job. Where's Tucker? There you go.
anyway. But